How to reset control center on iPhone. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can reset control center on iPhone. So this is specifically for any, iOS after the iOS 18 update. So if you're above iOS 18, you can do this. So let's begin by updating our iOS. Head over to your settings, go to general, and there you can go to software update. From here, you can see your current iOS version and also if any update is available. If there is, you can update that version. And now let's move on to resetting our control center. So you'll need to come to your settings. So this is what your settings will look like initially. Scroll down and there you'll find control center option. Tap on it. After you tap on it, there you will see reset control center. You can check your control center layout for now. This is what it's going to look like. So if you tap on reset control center, it will give you this pop-up. You can confirm it and it will just go back to default. And that's how easy it is to reset your control center on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That's it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.